Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be going over my Fundrise account. This account is currently at $10,660.74. You can see here. My net returns to date have been $843.93. I started this Fundrise account in October 2018. I'm still on a core account, not an advanced account. And I started out with a supplemental income investment plan. On Fundrise, you can add your funds to this orange button here. Here you can see your overview, performance, portfolio, transactions, more. They have a referral program as well. Here we can see all of my 2020 year-to-date dividends. In 2020, I've made $391.94 in dividends with an all-time dividends of $784.51. Only $37.98 in appreciation made in 2020. This is mostly a dividend account with supplemental income investment plan, so not much appreciation is shown here, with an all-time appreciation of $74.78. For the year of 2020, I paid $8.69 in advisory fees, with a total advisory fees of $15.30, which is reasonably low. And here you can see all the totals. My total is for 2020 is $421.23, with my all-time total being $843.93. Here in October 16th, 2018, I put in $1,000, and the appreciation took it down to $997.67. Shortly after that, on December 4th, I added another $2,000, and I believe I added on a monthly $100 a month starting in November, and I added extra $2,000 in December, and slowly added $100 a month through all the way up until May, where I added another $1,000, and then I believe I just added $250 a month up until now. Now I am adding $200 a month, slowly growing my supplemental income account. This account is currently at 81 active projects. 68% of it is debt and 32% is equity. I lean more towards debt for supplemental income, so I get paid dividends. Here we can see all of my recent activity. October 13th, fairly recent. We had a new acquisition. The projected annual returns are very good. Here it'll give me a little notification on October 8th. They reinvested in all of my dividends. For quarter 3, I made $114.11 in dividends. Not too bad. It was a little lower in quarter 3 due to the pandemic, I believe. And here we'll just see all of my notifications about all of my active projects from A1 all the way to E1. And D3 is my lowest, with my highest being a A3. And here we can see all of my active projects. And on the wheel, you can see the 4 projects in B1, 8 in B2. And here's where the money is. October, they reinvested $102 in dividends in July. And I've just been slowly building up my dividend account. My first dividend was in January 9th, 2019. We recently had the opportunity to invest in the Fundrise IPO. I invested in the second IPO, I believe. I only invested about $1,000 and bought about 100 shares. And it looks, this is new to me, I have not seen this, but it looks like you can open up an IRA account with Fundrise to start your own retirement account with Fundrise. So this has been a short overview of Fundrise, of my account. Here we could go over all of my year-to-date returns. I'm invested in the Income E-REIT, the East Coast E-REIT, Heartland E-REIT, West Coast E-REIT, Income E-REIT 2, Income E-REIT 3, Income E-REIT 2019, Income E-REIT 5. This new E-REIT, and the balanced E-REIT. None of these are performing yet, I don't believe. None of the ramping up ones. We currently have 4 operating investments, with 1 stabilizing and the rest ramping up. I believe we have a few not reporting. Alright, so here we can see our annual returns with East Coast E-REIT. In 2018, we made $3.08. In 2019, we made $64.79. And with 2020, year to date, we made $52.62 with an all-time of $120.49. This was all reinvested from the East Coast E-REIT back into more of the E-REITs. Heartland, we had an all-time of $31.36. Income, a total all-time of $150.50, with West Coast at $69.07. With our largest being coming from the Income E-REIT 2, which is still stabilizing at $263.45. And the rest have not brought in, besides Income E-REIT 2019 brought in $103.97, and Income E-REIT 3 brought in $97.56, with Income E-REIT 5 bringing in $7.53, and that's where our subtotal comes of $843.93 total in reinvested dividends. Slowly, account is growing. Once I hit over 10,000 total invested of my own personal cash in, then I should go into an advanced Fundrise account, and then I can make a video on that. I believe I only need a couple hundred more dollars. So here we could see in 2018 I put in $3,200, and 2019 I put in a total of $4,166.81, and 2020 I'm at $2,450 total invested. So I only need about $200 more invested to go onto a Fundrise advanced account, and I can show you guys more about what's on that back end. That's about it for my performance on my Fundrise account. Just got above $10,600, and started in 2018. $800 total profit, all reinvested.